Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introductions from group 1. On this occasion we will explain about software components namely Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Before we proceed to the material, I will introduce the names of our group members. The first of Agan Mufid Mahulau as Khairman, then I Nuriati as moderator, the 3 Siti Yudila Makatita, the 4 Fahar Ismani, and the last Martanita Maroko. Go to shorten the time, we just go straight to the explanation of the material.
Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser that was created by the company Google on 2 September 2008. Google Chrome was released for the first time. Google Chrome is, in general, one of the most extensively used browser software on the internet today.
Feature of Google Chrome. Point 1. Display. Google Chrome has a very user-friendly interface, which means that people can quickly manage it without being confused. The forward or backward, refresh or cancel menu and top buttons are all visible in the main screen of this web browser. And of course, by showing a modern, minimalist, clean, and basic design. The second point, user can sign their bookmarks, history, and preference, a source, all of their device using the Chrome browser. In this situation, the user can utilize their Google account and send and receive browser data. 3. Malware and ad. The user is protected from download scans using this function. Of course, the goal is to improve the security of user data. 4. This option stops the browser from permanently saving historical information, cookies, site data, or from input in incognito mode. Commonly known as incognito mode, many individuals are unaware of how useful incognito mode is, particularly if the user is interested and wishes to use the browser on a different device. The last point is extensions. Web technologies such as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS are also used to develop these extensions. On the Chrome Web Store, users may choose from a variety of extensions. Of course, each extension serves a distinct purpose, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Google Translate, Google Calendar, Zoom Schedule, and Clean Master are just a few examples.
Okay, just here I will explain about Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a free web browser created by the Mozilla Foundation and its affiliates. Firefox is released on the 23rd of September 2002. In this example, Mozilla Firefox is a popular web browser developed by the Mozilla Corporation. Firefox is a Gecko layout engine-based open source web browser.
Features of Mozilla Firefox. The following are some of the main features contained in Mozilla Firefox. The freeze is extension. The availability of this extension foundational in Mozilla Firefox allows users to add new features to the browser or see how it functions. For example, the blog origin add-on can efficiently block site advertisements, alternatively, you make use add-ons like the Go Privacy Assistant list, video download helper, and so on. The second is private browsing. When the user closes Firefox, the function will automatically remove the user online information such as password, search history from the computer when the user allows Firefox. User don't leave and data that range on the get this way. The third one and ad blocker. When we need information, yet the site is Google with advertisements, visitor will have tough time reading the information present as a result of so there are other ways for consumers to get rid of advert. For intended ad blocker is a fully working ad blocking program. The fourth is the theme. Of course, if the user's web browser has a very plain display, it will feel boring. Thousands of alternative themes will be available with Firefox to make it easier for a user to access the information on the net.
The comparison between Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla is the creator of Firefox, while Google is the creator of Chrome. 2. Google Chrome has a thumbnail display function that allows users to quickly go to their selected website, whereas Mozilla Firefox does not have this capability. The 3. Firefox uses a single process for all tabs, whereas Chrome uses a distinct process for each tab. The 4. Firefox is a tried and true web browser, whereas Chrome is new and unproven. The 5. When it comes to RAM usage, Firefox is one of the browsers that is still wasteful when compared to Google Chrome. That's the result of our presentation. We thank you for your attention. If there are wrong words and words, we apologize and I am with words. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.